Hey everyone, it's Kyle at Vacs. In today's video, we're going to show you how easy it is to replace a hose on any Prolux Upright model. Alright, let's get started. Taking off the hose on a Prolux Upright model is pretty straightforward. The easiest way we found is taking a flathead, getting between the back of the vacuum and the hose and just kind of prying it off. Should come out with ease. Some models have two screws located behind the main cover. Take those two screws out and the hose should just pop out. I hope that video is helpful and you're able to fix your vacuum on your own. If you need any parts such as brush roll, belts, bags, HEPA filters, or a filter for 6000 for your Prolux Upright models, we got them. Links for purchase will be in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all our new videos. Vacs is the only authorized Prolux dealer, so if you need it, we got it. What are your thoughts on the Upright models from Prolux? Go ahead and leave a comment down below, and as always, thanks for watching.